Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have such an exciting video I can't even begin to describe it. I literally cannot speak coherent sentences. When this box came, I jumped my ass in the shower and got ready because I was like, I need to do this now. What is that, you ask? I am doing an unboxing and review of Pretty Basic's collab with Tarte. And if you don't know what Pretty Basic is, what are you doing with your life? I know you guys just like me to just get right on into it because who just wants to hear my jabber? They just want to see the product. I know, I get it, because I would too. I have to do the Gas You Up challenge a little bit.
Welcome to the Gas You Up challenge.
How do I even put into words what I'm trying to convey right now? You don't even know. I'm nervous right now because it's like they're like my best friends on the internet and they don't even know it. So in a way, perhaps we could take this as my audition to be a third member, actually a fourth member. Ollie, I count you, boo. Don't worry, I see you. I'm just so excited for you two. Like, you deserve the world. Get that coin, sis. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm rambling. Ramble. If you know, you know. I literally didn't even open it yet, so I can open this and unbox it and show you my full reaction on camera. So this is what it looks like when you open up the package. Okay, packaging, love that. Okay, hi Tarte, I see you. This was a birthday gift to myself from myself because my birthday's next week. Remi, our birthdays are so close to each other. Pisces, Aquarius, and I forget my Enneagram. I'll put that in here. I can figure that out. So for the main event, here it is. I'm on vacation tonight. Hey, I'm gonna leave you behind. You are a true Remi stan if you've fallen asleep while on a binge of her vlog channel and her vacation tonight intro song blasted so loud that you jumped out of your seat. Love you for it, girl, though. I'm here for it. It's an everyday palette, basically. It has everything that you need. Eyeshadows to highlighter and bronzer, and it also came with lip oil and mascara. After tax and stuff, it was $37, and it's like a what, 50-something dollar value. I'll put it somewhere. Here's the palette. OMG. Here's the mascara and the lip oil. Please excuse my nails, I'm getting them done. This is an awesome size because you could just throw it in your purse, throw it in your suitcase, duffel bag, you know, if you go somewhere. Hopefully we can go somewhere soon because I'm going nuts in my house. Oh my god, it literally smells like vanilla or chocolate. No, it's not chocolate. Is it chocolate? Chocolate! It smells so good though, like I want to lick it. Is this gluten free? So you see this really nice sized mirror right there, and then the palette. It's a really nice sized pans. I don't want to ruin it. Oh, bitch. She's creamy. Look at that. Perfect nude color. Hello! This is shade Daisy because Remi's dog's name is Daisy. Please don't come for me for my swatches, or do. It's fine. I understand. The second shade is a taupey brown. It's called Perf because it's so perfect. And the next shade name is called Content Baby Content. And if you know, you know. Honestly, Pretty Basic is a really great podcast. If you haven't listened to it, you need to go listen to it right now. Well, after you watch my video, you need to go listen to it. I'll have the link below. It is the only podcast that I consistently listen to, and I'm not blowing smoke up your ass, Remi and Alisha, okay? Although I would, and I have no problem doing that. You really serve that content, baby, content. Butter. It feels so good. Okay, can you see? I'm awful at this. Baby content, oh my god. This content, baby, low quality, but it's fine. Stick around. Oh, yes, this is gonna be my shade. I feel like this is so surreal because I know how excited you guys are, I'm sure, about this. And I'm just like really proud of you. I feel like I can feel your excitement. Anyway, this is boy drama. If you listen to the show, they talk about a lot of their boy drama, and it makes me feel like I'm not alone because we all deal with the fuck boys, the feeling of forever alone, or like the feeling of like you're a bad bitch and you don't need nobody, okay? And that's where I'm at right now. She is a mauve shimmer shade. Think it over how buttery these are. I only own the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer like every other girl in the world. I've never really used their eyeshadows before.
Sorry, Tarte.
But I'm like shook. Next shade is Ring Ring, which is a matte brown tone, and the meaning behind that shade, I'm explaining these meanings as if like I am Remi and Alisha, but I feel as if I'm part of the clique because I've been so up their asses for so many years. Ring Ring definitely goes for their podcast intro jingle. What is it called? Like intro, I guess. You hear the phone go ring ring and they're like, pretty basic. Pretty basic. Is this my audition to be on the show? I mean, girls, you're having all of these people on season 3 come as guests, and I'm just saying, if you need somebody to pop on in, give me a Ring Ring. The top shade here is Ring Ring. The last eyeshadow shade is Chloe. She is a dark brown color. So that's Chloe May up top. And now for the highlight. Bitch, I love a pop and highlight. The shade is pretty, so I think that it will be pretty. I definitely think that this swatch is terrible. This shade is a champagne-y highlight. It's definitely more subtle, not blinding. I'm sure that you can build it up to make it more blinding as you build it up. Oh, you can kind of see a shimmer maybe. The last thing that they have in the palette is a bronzer, which completely ties in the fact that this is an everyday makeup palette. You have your eyeshadows to the left, and highlight and bronzer to the right. It smells like chocolate, I think, or like coconut. It smells like my Physicians Formula bronzer. She's a creamy bronzer. Not that it is creamy, this is a powder palette, but it feels creamy. She is. Oh, you can kind of see that shimmer right there. Oh, get it, girl, get it. Yes, yes, yes. I'm back with a different camera angle too. I'm a hot mess express. I don't even know what to tell you guys, honestly. I have my makeup brushes here. And unfortunately for me, I did not clean them, and I had a feeling this was coming fast. And I was like, Rachel, you should clean your brushes. And then I got distracted and didn't clean them. Gonna wipe them off with a paper towel. Just cleaning them off on a paper towel, you know, don't mind me. I think I'm gonna go in with the Perf shade, top middle one, taupey nude shade. I'm just gonna put it in the crease. Remi, if you're watching, girl, hi, how are you? I don't know if you remember me, but not too long ago, I tweeted at you saying how I was rewatching your old videos from like 20 something, like so long ago. And you wrote back laughing, saying, I'm gonna send you flowers and like apology for the saturation damage for my eyes. So I want to say it was me, hi. I DM'd you my address and I'm waiting for the flowers, girl. I'm totally kidding. Am I wearing the same shirt as my previous video? Yes, yes I am. And do I have a really bad fake tan on? Also yes. So there you go. Next I'm going to take Ring Ring and put it on the outer corner of my eye. Really should listen to this podcast. I have been so inspired. Actually is the reason why I decided to just do this YouTube channel. I don't remember which one it was, but they were just like, just do it. Just the thing that you wanted to do, just like do it. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just do my YouTube. And here we are. So thank you, Remi and Alisha. And I don't know, it's just like, it's a really good podcast. I just packed it on. Okay, I look like I got punched, but we're gonna blend it out. I actually love this. This is applying so well. I'm going to dip into Boy Drama, which is that amazing metallic shade right there. I also would like to take this time to guess up Alisha. You are a YouTube freaking queen. You're so smart as a businesswoman. And I really love that. Love that for me. This metallic shade is bomb. I don't even think you need to wet your brush. I just like to do that sometimes if I don't cut my crease to make sure that it's seen and gives it a bam effect. I'm hoping that this is the start to some pretty basic merch. Remi, sweetie, where's the merch, honey? I know some things take time. Rome wasn't built in a day, but I'd love a sweatshirt. ShopAlishaMarie.com. You've inspired me to want to get a billboard. I don't know what I'm gonna have a billboard of, but I literally want one right on I-95. He is glowing. What? I thought I just peed myself. I thought I pissed my pants. I'm gonna dip a little bit of Chloe in the outer corner and darken it out a bit. Blend to the gods. I look awesome. I love this. Like a sea otter. Now I'm going to go in and take Perf and just put it under my eye on the waterline. Then I'm gonna take Ring Ring and put that on the outer corner of my lower lash line. I'm gonna take the highlight shade Pretty and pop that baby on the inner corner. Yes, queen, yes! I am not looking pretty basic. I am looking just pretty today. Oh, was that a tagline? You can take it, girl. You can take that tagline. I don't even care. You can take it. Here's the finished look on the eye. The moment of truth. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. This is not made by Remi and Alisha, but this is just a little additive in there. Or was it made by you guys? I think I saw this out before. Here's the wand. It's very standard. Look down to apply your mascara so it doesn't get on your lids. Sitting here thinking of how grateful I am for Remi and Alisha. Like, you guys have literally kept me sane throughout. Whoa. Whoa. Those were not tears for me. Shut the fuck up. You could literally be watching TV and I'm like, oh, everything's okay. Everything's fine. Everything's better. I feel like it's not coating, but it's probably because this is just the sample size. Here's the before and after. Honestly, pretty damn good for one coat. I'm about to go get a full size of this. I'm not even kidding. Look at these lashes. Are you kidding me? My favorite part of my makeup routine is bronzer. Let's do that. Oh, you can build her up. Whoops, she's pigmented. Hi. I love this bronzer. Are they gonna come out with like a full-size one? Because I would get that. So now we're gonna do the highlight. I can't. I can. No, I can't. Okay, that highlight though, guys, what? I cannot try the lip oil because there's nut oil in it and I'm allergic to nuts. So I have to go on with something else. Today I'll be using the Dose of Colors Desi Perkins / Katie collab. The shade is called My Main. Top it with the lip gloss from that collection too. It's called Over the Top. Oh my god, and that's the look. Cue the dramatic montage. Oh my god. Remi and Alisha, you did it again. Insert Michelle Obama meme now. This has kind of gone a little all over the place. I started out at a different angle. Now we're up here where we should have been. I just like don't understand why I did that, because now I probably had a million chins when this started out. I can't, but it's fine. Go get the Pretty Basic palette today. Run there right after this video is over and go to Tarte.com and get it. It's actually also going to be an Ulta starting on Valentine's Day. I don't know if it's going to be all Ultas or if it's going to be a select few Ultas. I love when brands go to Ulta. You can feel it for yourself, swatch it out, test color shades. Do they still allow you to do that? I honestly have not makeup shopped in a while in person. My thoughts were all over the place. I started a sentence, didn't know where it was going until it ended, and even then when it ended, I'm like, what did I just say? Did it come out okay? I don't even know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am so excited about this. So excited to be doing YouTube. I know last video I had a little bit of a mental breakdown, not knowing what the hell I was doing, if I was coming or going or what the hell. Follow me on Instagram at Rachel Fana. Follow me on Twitter at Rachel Fana. Follow me on TikTok, Rachel T something. I changed the name so people wouldn't find me because I'm a little bit embarrassed to have a TikTok, but that was kind of cool. But anyway, follow me on Pinterest. Follow my dog. He's linked below too. Don't forget, you know what to do. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below and tell me what was your favorite Pretty Basic episode. Of course, mine was the one that inspired me to start this YouTube, and I'd like to know what was yours. Don't forget to turn on them bell notifications so you get notified when I upload, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you the most. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Girl, yes! So bad at this. Oh yeah. My chin's when I'm looking down. And I'm on vacation tonight. I'm gonna leave it behind. I just embarrassed myself so badly.